this is very big indeed. We were working really hard. The entire family was waiting for that particular this particular day. In last, and I would say the struggle is very long. It's the struggle is for generations because this is the first time we are lifting the national cup. So indeed, a very happy moment for all of us.
Uh, it's just the end of struggle for I League. Now, struggle for ISL starts from day after tomorrow. So
It's a
what's the
new
plan?
journey, I would rather say. It's not a struggle at all. It's a new journey. We are very happy that we entered into that space. There are lot many strategies and lot many things which we need to prepare for the ISL, and that is what we are doing right now.
And what's the plan for tomorrow after match? What's the celebration part?
So after the match, our plan is to get a open bus for our boys and get back from stadium to Mohammedan Sporting Club
Okay.
with a lot of fans along with us.
Okay. Sir, we heard before that Bankarel is trying to set up new facilities in Calcutta. So what's the plan about that?
Yes, we are already in seen a couple of places where we wanted to do that because having three team in Salt Lake is definitely like a little difficult task because it impact the pitch a lot. So we have already figured out couple of places which we are looking for, but gradually we'll come to Salt Lake. That's the idea, but as of now we have already started seeing couple of places and which will finalize and announce it very soon.
Okay, any facilities? I am talking about academy. Any facilities they are trying to set up Bankarel in Kolkata, like you have in already in Delhi now.
See, we already have one in Gurgaon, and which is powered by Mohammedan Sporting Club, and there is one we have a Mohammedan Sporting Club here, which is powered by Bunker Hill Private Limited. So it's a tie-up between the two places. So I don't think so. We need to place specifically Bunker Hill Academy or anything. That's all.
In ISL, the budget is a vital point.
Yep.
Do you have any estimated budget you want to share with the club you have? You want to
Not
talk?
really, but whatever required and what comes to us from the space, we'll definitely cope up with that. We don't have neither we have a benchmark of on lower or higher side. We will go with the flow, and this is exactly what we known for because even in I League. The kind of budget we were spending, the no other I League team of spending it. So yes, we are absolutely ready. Whatever is needed, and we'll have a task for us that with the way we have placed it for ourselves here in I League as well. That I think we have decided like 3 to 4 years time we'll spend, and we got to see the cup in 3 to 4 years time. Exactly what we have achieved it here, and in next 4 to 5 years of a time we wanted to lift the cup there as well. So that is what we are thinking of.
Can you share the blueprint? Like, how are you planning to proceed further? Like any specific places that you want to check, where you want to tick, or anything you want to involve in the team right now?
Not really. So to be very honest, the current team which we have is definitely a great squad we have. It is not about having big names or the expensive players. The kind of boys we have in the system, we wanted to retain maximum of them, uh, and we wanted to go ahead with that. See, one thing we have realized it after last 2 seasons that the big names don't give a very drastic result because otherwise we would have spent any money to get the cup way back. I think it's better coordination and the kind of role coach is playing right now. Uh, that is fabulous. So we don't have any system or any planned strategy right now, which is a very concrete one. But yes, we are in the process of it. Right now, to be very honest, we are just in a winning hangover. So we wanted to come out of it first, and then we'll sit on it and plan more.
First thing first, ISL demands club licensing
Yep.
that Mohammedan is yet to pass.
Yep.
So how are you looking forward with that?
No, I don't think so. We have any doubt on it. We are absolutely fine. I think our current members already prepared and done with like 95% paperwork. So I don't think so. We will face any challenge, any problem to get the license.
My final question, now you have higher stake, right? Previously you had 51%, in ISL you have 61%. So any co-sponsor or anything else that you have talked with the team management?
Yes, we are in touch with a couple of companies. Out of one is looking very promising, but everything will be done within less than a month time. So see, ISL is definitely a bigger space, and we definitely require support from sponsors as well as the further investors who can help us to run the show. So definitely, we are in touch with couple of them, but one discussion is very concrete one and very on a finalized, like almost finalized. So let's see, like within 10 to 20 days, you'll get to know.